Walking with Jesus is a five-part series created by the Jesus Film Project as a follow-up to the Jesus film in an African context. It's been translated into over 100 African languages, so you can browse this list and see if your language is available. If it is, this can be a great resource for your website. Each of the 5 episodes contains a video, an introductory description of text, and 3 discussion questions. So these 3 elements would be nice to put on your website. Here is an example of what has been done in the past with the 5 episodes stacked on one page together. So today I'm going to walk you through how this was done and just some tools you might need to put this on your website. So we're going to use a feature in Wildfire called iframe to put the video into your website. So here's the steps that you'll have to do. First, to find your language, just click this drop down and scroll and see if your language is available. If so, you just click on that language. Here on this page, you will see a share button below the video. When you click on the share button, you'll see some options. And when the box pops up, you'll see an option to embed code. This is the code for iframe that websites use to put the video inside their website. But we don't need all of this code here. We only need the URL that's listed in between the quotation marks. And then on my keyboard, I'll just hit Control-C to copy. Then I'll go back to my website and let's just start creating a new section here. So I'll show you how I have created this page. So I'm going to have to click Edit Layout. And now I'll click Add Section and we will do a 2-column section. So in the right column, I'm going to click Add Content, and then at the very bottom, you will see iframe. So I will click on iframe. The sidebar opens, and up here at the top is where you need to paste in the URL. So I will just click Control-V and paste. And for a video, it's best if I do the 16:9 ratio. So I will select that, and I'll unselect Show Cookie Banner, and click Save. And there it is. Our video from the Jesus Film website just pops into our website. So now we need to add the text. So to the left, I'm going to click Add Content and Add Text, and the text box pops up. So I'll go back to the Walking with Jesus website, and I'm going to copy all of that description text. And then I'll go back to my website, and I'm going to paste it in, but to paste it, I'm going to actually hit Control-Shift-V all at the same time. And by doing Control-Shift-V instead of just Control-V, this strips out any formatting that would come along with the text from the other website. So we just want to make sure the plain text gets pasted, and that's why we do Control-Shift-V. So that looks good, and for the title, I'll probably assign that a heading style to make it stand out, and I'll click Save. So that's the description for this episode, and now I need to add those discussion questions that we saw. So once again, I'm just going to add another text box. I'm going to go back to the Walking with Jesus site, and I'm going to click on discussion questions, and there's 3 questions with every video. So I will just highlight those and copy, and then I'll go back and I will hit Control-Shift-V again. So I'll just wrap this up and click Save. So there's a preview of what this section looks like. And what I did below, I'll go ahead and do it now just to walk you through the way I set this up, was I added a separator block. So a separator block can have a horizontal line in it, and so I just do that in a 1-column section, and I will add content, and I will add separator. And there's a few different types of lines you can choose from. So I'll just choose another style of line and click save, and you'll see the horizontal line is just added. So now I'm going to actually, the way I created this page to speed things up is I just copied the entire section for episode 1, and then I went down and I pasted in that section between the horizontal lines. And now you can just go back and edit the content in this section since it's already somewhat set up. So what I need to do is just go back to the second episode and go back and get the embed code just for that video. So you just copy between the quotation marks, remember. And then you're going to go back to Wildfire, go click the edit pencil on the video, and we're just going to change the URL. So highlight over the existing URL and paste this one. So after I click save, you'll see that the video has updated to the new video. And the same thing will happen with the text. I will have to go back to the website, copy out the description text, and then just copy out the discussion questions. Also, after I'm done with that, just come back to the website and you'll edit the text boxes and just paste in that text. It's that simple. You just keep going down now through the 5 episodes until they're all in, and then you have your page of the Walking with Jesus series. So after you're done, you'll have to go back and translate all of this into your target language. And once you do that, then this will be ready to go. Thanks for watching.